Have you ever wondered what the world looks like up close? We often take our everyday lives for granted, but when examined under a microscope, the mundane transforms into the marvelous. Let's embark on a journey to explore the extraordinary details hidden in plain sight. First, let's look at a common household item, a strand of your hair. To the naked eye, it appears smooth, but under a microscope, it reveals a scaly surface like a miniature, intricate landscape. These overlapping scales, known as cuticles, protect the hair shaft, and their arrangement determines the hair's texture. Next, consider your own skin. What seems like a uniform surface is, in fact, a bustling city of cells. Under a microscope, you'll see a complex network of cells, pores, and bacteria. The epidermis, the outermost layer of skin, is constantly shedding old cells and generating new ones. You might even spot the occasional dust mite, an unwelcome but common resident. Now let's examine something we consume daily: coffee. A coffee bean, when magnified, unveils a cellular structure, a testament to its plant origin. The tiny cells contain the compounds that give coffee its flavor and aroma. The roasting process causes these cells to change, developing the rich color and taste we enjoy. Even the air we breathe has a hidden world. Dust particles, pollen grains, and microscopic organisms float around us. Under the microscope, these particles take on new forms, from spiky pollen grains to the intricate structures of dust mites. It's a reminder of the unseen elements constantly interacting with us. Finally, let's look at a simple drop of water. It seems clear and unassuming, but under a microscope, it teems with life. You'll find bacteria, algae, and microscopic creatures, all playing their part in a complex ecosystem. It's a vivid demonstration of the hidden biodiversity present in our everyday world. So the next time you encounter something ordinary, remember the hidden wonders that lie beneath the surface. The microscope reveals a universe of complexity and beauty, reminding us that there is always more than meets the eye.